First, we are back, and today we will remove the rust and coat the bike inside tank with the sealant. Sealant will be, it's not available in Pakistan, so we'll use alternative for that. I'm gonna show you everything, so just join me in the video. First, we'll remove the rust. There are three different methods. One is electrolysis. Second is you can use simple detergent, toilet detergent, and third is vinegar and baking soda. First, we will discuss about the electrolysis. Electrolysis, we will use a 12-volt supply with baking soda and water. Put the water inside the tank and put a rod that will not touch the. Connect the positive point of your 12-volt to it and negative point to the body of the tank, and then leave it. For me, I just leave it for like 12 hours, and after that you can see there are a lot of dust, and you can see all the rust is coming out from this positive hole. Now just drain the water and clean it with cleaner or just water. After that you'll see it's totally clean. Second method is we're gonna discuss those vinegar plus baking soda. Put the baking soda and put the vinegar in it and leave it for a few hours till your rust came out. And third method is simple. 100 rupees detergent you can find from the market. Just place it in your tank and leave it for like 8 hours minimum, so it can clean the rest. Safest way I found is electrolysis, and those second methods are almost same. So after that we'll go to the deco market that is selling deco paints. So deco paints you can find it from the market. Just tell them we need a primal of NC primal and NC thinner, and you'll mix total 50% in a bottle, 250 ml. Shake it well, and after that pour it into the tank. Make sure your tank holes are sealed with you can use a shopping bag or plastic or a wood, and shake all the material inside it so it will coat the walls and tank top and below. After that make it dry and just use it. It will be like 5 years more to use it. So see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. That's a reward for us. Thanks.